actually qualify for a modification. So as you can see, what we did here actually was I just went in and changed that lawn care maintenance that I was talking about. Clicked on that. You can tell that the 1194 that was saying no, it's not a possible modification. Once we converted that over, that $197 came right over here and made their payment $1391, and boom, all of a sudden it's $6,600 more profitable than a foreclosure for the lender, and so that constitutes them giving them a modification from that standpoint. So that's basically what our software does. Is it helps to really get things in line and see if somebody is what their true affordability is, taking into consideration everything in their household budget, and all their family members, all that kind of stuff. Because I mean, you can't go down to the last penny. Everybody needs some discretionary income at the end of each month, just in case. You never know what's going to happen. So we take all of those into account, and the end goal is that we generate an unbiased financial analysis report for the lender. It can be anywhere from 60 to 90 pages, depending on the information that's put in the report by the borrower. And this in-depth report shows the lender their net present value of options of modification versus options of foreclosing on a property or doing a short sale. So lets them make an actual unbiased financial decision on what's going to be best. So it determines an immediate decision as to the most profitable outcome for the lender, and again, it lets them decide if they want to modify, short sell, or foreclose on the property. The ease in determining one of these options is that modification could come back and in the green and say, hey, looks good, it's profitable, let's go ahead and still do this. They could look to short sell the property, or again, the end is just going into foreclosure. So it's going to benefit the lender and the servicer in several different manners. Number one, it's going to help to preserve neighborhood values. It's anticipated that we could see as many as, who knows what the real numbers are, but as many as 12 million foreclosures over the next 4 years. And with that in mind, this isn't just hurting those individuals. It's anticipated that it could do as much damage as eliminating over $100 billion in home equity throughout the country for neighbors that have their other neighbors go into foreclosure. So this is something that needs to be done for everybody. It prevents the foreclosures. We have a non-performing asset on the lender's books that is once again performing and in good standing, which helps their portfolio volume and improves their liquidity position and the bank stress test that they're now having to go through. It mitigates the future losses because, again, we're not just looking at their housing to income ratio. We're looking at the entire picture. So these individuals that get modified based on these circumstances, they should not go back into default. It's a win-win for everybody. The homeowner benefits as well. They get to stay in their property, keep raising their family there. Again, the neighborhood values are preserved. It lowers their monthly payment. Could possibly be a decrease in their interest rate. Could possibly see a forbearance of a portion of their principal balance. The past due balances would be absorbed up with the new loan, and basically that means that they don't go into foreclosure, and it helps them to keep their credit clean. So who do we see that can best utilize this software? Well, it's several people. Attorneys, servicers of loans, lenders, loss mitigation departments, modification companies, HUD counselors, financial planners, mortgage lenders and brokers, real estate agents, national banks, community banks, developers, builders, uh, accountants, and CPAs. I mean, there are so many people that could use this program and help out all these struggling individuals. Um, so that's pretty much it. If you would like to learn more information, please email us um, at modify at protectingamericanconsumers.com, um, and that will do it. So appreciate your time, and have a good day.